Be sure to go over front and back and side to side chest and head isolation. Links in the description below. Make sure to warm up and stretch your neck to prevent future pain. And if it's your first time, go easy and slow with the movements through all this drill. Let's go. And do some chest and head circles. Are you ready? Go. Front, 2, 3, neutral, left. Neutral back, feel the stretch. Neutral right. Again, neutral front. Neutral left. Try to use a mirror. Neutral back, especially for that exercise. Neutral right. Again, neutral front. Yeah. Neutral to the left. Neutral to the back. Yeah, doing good. Neutral to the right. Let's do it faster. Front and left and back and right. Again, front, left, back and right. Last time. Front, left, back and right. Yeah, doing great. Release your neck and get ready to do the other side. Yeah. Now we'll work to the right. Let's go. Front, 2, 3, neutral to the right. Neutral to the back. Neutral to the left. And let's do it again. Front, 2, 3, neutral, right. Neutral back. The head doesn't move. Neutral left. Neutral front. Neutral right. That's the last time doing slow. Neutral left. Now faster. Let's go. Front, right, back, left. Again. Front, neutral, right, neutral, back, neutral, left, neutral. Front, right, back, left. Yes, doing great. Release your neck and let's continue. Now doing the circle without the neutral position. Let's go to the front and to the right and to the back. Feel the stretch. To the left. Let's do it again. To the front, no neutral. To the right, yeah. To the back and to the left again. Let's do it again. Front, last time slow. To the right, feel the stretch. To the back, keep the head in place. To the left. Now let's do it faster. Front, right, back, left. Again. Front, right, back, left. Last time. Front, right, back, and left. Yeah, and remember, practice isn't a thing you do once you're good. It is the thing you do that makes you good. So let's continue. Same thing to the other side. Let's go. Front, 2, 3, and to the left. 2, 3, and to the back. Keeping the head in place. To the right, yeah. To the front. To the side. To the back. And to the right. Last time slow. Front. To the left. Yes, feel the stretch. To the back. Focus on the head. To the right. Now let's do it faster. Front. Left. Back. Right. Again. Front. To the left. To the back. To the right. Last time. Front. Left. Back. To the right. Yes, shake it off. Don't forget to smile. Yeah. And we'll continue doing the same thing. Same circle, but doing it smoothly. Let's go. Front. Slide it to the right. To the back. Don't stop moving. To the left. And front again. Keep on sliding. To the right. To the back. To the left. Front again, last time slow. To the right. To the back, yeah, feel the stretch. To the left. Now faster. Front, right, back, left. front, right, keep it smoothly, to the back, to the left, yeah, last time, side, back, side, yeah, doing good. The more you practice, the better you get. So let's do it again, now to the other side. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. Front, slide it to the left, and to the back, to the right, and to the front. Keep on moving. To the left, keep the head still. To the back, to the right. Last time slow. Front, slide it to the left, feel the stretch in the neck, slide to the back, to the right, and now faster. Front, left, back, right, again, front, left, back, right, last time, front, left, back, and right. Yes, well done. And thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation, and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing, and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day. Once you master the isolation, you can play and switch between the chest isolation and head isolation. Give it a try.